Here I have Honor 8X and let me show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's choose the sound. Here you can find Do Not Disturb, so let's tap it. As you can see, you can enable Do Not Disturb just by using this switcher. Right now Do Not Disturb is enabled. Here we've got the icon, this moon right here. You can also check out the mode of the Do Not Disturb. Right now we are using alarms only, but you can switch it into the Do Not Interrupt, or you can set up allow only priority interruptions. You can also customize those priority interruptions by using define priority interruptions, and here you can enable calls and messages from some contacts, from some favorite list. You can also handle here with repeat callers if you would like to. Let's go back. Also, the really interesting thing is right here the scheduled time, so you can switch on automatically Do Not Disturb if you customize your rules. So basically that's it, everything went well, you can go back and start using your device right now. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.